What's going on, everyone? It's your boy A31 Bass Tactics, and I'm back with another fishing adventure. Got my boy Jesus with me today, and we're gonna try to get on some fish. We're in the middle of this cold front here. It's been raining. We're like in the middle of the storm. With that being said, let's see if we can hook up, guys. So today I got a jig, I got a jerk bait, and I got a drop shot set up. So we're gonna see what we could do. A lot of this grass died down from the last time I was here. Huh?
Big fish.
Where?
No, I'm just saying.
Oh.
Big fish. Like gambling, big money, big money.
That's funny. There was a wake right there.
Oh, I see. It was like from where?
Huh?
Why do I see hospital socks?
Uh-huh?
Why am I seeing hospital socks?
Hospital socks? I have no clue.
Who got discharged or who escaped?
Who escaped? We got a hospital escapee on the loose. Dude, all this was in the water. This is crazy. Starting to rain again. Oh, look at all these crawdads. Yeah, somebody was using them as bait. 1, 2, 3. That's why the craw works so good right here. Ah! All right, guys, time to match the hatch. Look at this. All those crawfish, they're all over the place. I see one, well, I seen one right here near the bank. We were pissing them off, and I just got 2 bites on the jig. So we're gonna change up to this sleeper crawl and see if something wants to bite it. Got him! They've been messing with me. Look at that hook set, guys. Freaking sleeper call. Oh yeah, never fails. Spring through winter, this thing's a winner. And look at, guys, the reason why it works so well everywhere I'm at right now, there's just craw pieces everywhere. So that would explain it. Thank you, buddy. Holy mackerel, look at this thing, guys. Just caught one on this craw here, and tell me this doesn't match it perfectly. This is what they're eating right now in the fall, at least right here. He's stuck in the line.
It's whatever.
He's free.
I'm just down to be out there.
Yeah, there he goes. Look at him. He's like, yes. Yeah, he's right there now. Had a bite right now. Dang it. Look at this big old dude. This one's dead. It is just pouring on us right now. But hey, rain or shine, we're on the grind. Trying to get on these fish. Explore conditions, and even if they're against us, we got to try to get on them. So far I got one as soon as we pulled up, not too long after. See if we could pull a couple more. Got him! A nice one! Oh! That's like a 4. How am I gonna bring it up? Oh! Let's go, baby! Look at that hook set, boys! Hey, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Middle of a cold front, raining, it's cold. Look at that, boys. Look how you ate it. Oh. That was the sketchiest thing ever. I had to bring it from way down there. Oh, my God. Turning on the scale, it's on 0. See what this baby weighs. Woo! Nice. My boy's on over there. Tighten your drag. Bring him up. 3 pounds, 1 ounce. Bring him up, bring him up. No, just reel. Yep, 3 pounds, 1 ounce, guys. Yes, sir. They're munching on those craws. You see that guy?
Oh, yeah.
Nice work, dude.
Thanks, man.
All right, we took a little break, ate a burger. The rain kind of stopped, so we're gonna go for a little bit longer before it gets dark. See if anything wants to bite the craw again. Oh, look it. You saw that? A bass was straight chasing. He was on a mission. He was chasing something hella crazy. Oh, another one. It came off. It felt like a good one. Dang it. He's still there. Got him. Oh my God, bro. He came out of the water. All right, guys, well, that's gonna be the end of this video. It got dark on us. It's been a rainy day. It was cold. Nice little cold front going on, but we got on some fish. Me and my boy Jesus had a little 1 versus 1 going.
Hell yeah.
I won. I'm on one. Trying to get a hook set from that bridge just because of the angle, but nonetheless, we got on some fish through this cold front. And if you liked the video, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for your boy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Yay!